Nolo Living Trust Creation App. The pros, the cons. The Nolo Living Trust Creation App promises to simplify estate planning, but most people get this wrong when they think wills alone are enough to avoid probate. The surprising truth is that a living trust can provide faster asset transfer, reduce probate costs, and give you more control over your estate. One major pro is guidance. The app walks users through creating a revocable living trust, including naming trustees, identifying beneficiaries, and detailing asset distribution. For example, a parent can ensure a family home is smoothly transferred to their children while keeping other assets in a separate trust. Another advantage is convenience. Users can complete their trust documents online, often faster than scheduling multiple attorney consultations. The platform also includes legal explanations and checklists to prevent common mistakes, such as forgetting to fund the trust or incorrectly naming successors. However, there are cons. The app is not a substitute for personalized legal advice in complex estates, blended families, or tax planning situations. Mistakes in funding the trust or unclear language could create disputes or limit the trust's effectiveness. In conclusion, the Nolo Living Trust Creation App is a practical solution for individuals seeking a straightforward, cost-effective way to plan their estates. While professional review may still be needed for complex circumstances, the app provides clarity, convenience, and confidence for creating a legally valid living trust that protects your assets and your loved ones.